Dumpster rental service in Columbus metro area. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in the Columbus metro area? We're here to make your cleanup process fast, affordable, and hassle-free. At Hapybox, we specialize in providing roll-off dumpsters that suit projects of any size, big or small. Whether you're a contractor or a homeowner, we've got the right dumpster for you. We know how overwhelming a major cleanout or renovation can be. That's why we've made renting a dumpster as easy as possible. With just a few clicks, you're ready to go. Our pricing is transparent, and there are no hidden fees. We offer flexible rental periods so you can work on your schedule. Delivery and pickup are prompt, so your workflow isn't disrupted. With Hapybox, you can expect clean, well-maintained dumpsters delivered directly to your location. We proudly serve the Columbus metro area, helping residents and businesses stay clean and organized. Our local, friendly team is ready to help you find the best solution for your project. We understand that every job is different, that's why we offer multiple dumpster sizes to meet your specific needs. No job is too big or too small for Hapybox. When you choose us, you're choosing convenience and professionalism. Get your project rolling with ease. Give Hapybox a try today. For more information or to book your dumpster, call 614-414-6962. Let's make cleanup easy together.